Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. This is a test of the new OBS Studio recording. What this does is it takes my transcription, summarizes it, and presents it as a what we call kind of a chiron, which is the strip on the bottom of a news broadcast that talks about, what is the main headlines and so forth. So what I'm trying to do with this plugin is I built my own custom doc for OBS Studio, which is one of the open source, very popular softwares for streaming and recording videos. So what I can do now is, with this open source software, you can use Codex to build plugins. Plugins can do things like create filters or do this kind of text-to-speech or transcribing solution or service. So in this test, I basically want to show you guys what I've been hacking on. This is a little plugin that I built for myself that will allow me to automatically transcribe my speech, so I don't have to wait for the video to finish. I can do that as I'm talking. I can also add special filters like clean, cinematic, warm, soft skin, cool studio, high contrast, muted, editorial. เปิดได้ครับไม่เป็นไรครับไม่ต้องครับไม่เป็นไร I don't know if it can understand Thai, but let's see if it does. Way I did it was I built a web app which you can connect in through a web hook to OBS Studio. From there, it can connect through what is called a WebSocket to do live streaming. So there's a server that's using the microphone input, taking that and sending that to the AI models. There's a real-time model whereby it's good for doing kind of like text to or speech to text and transcriptions. So I have a dedicated model from that. And then I also have these filter systems which I can click and adjust just for fun. I wanted to see what I can do to make my videos more broadcast ready and help me as a creator to summarize and transcribe and basically put some informational notes and other things as I'm speaking, pull those and maybe even do things like web searches for me so that I can be kind of like just in the flow of giving a speech or giving a tutorial or a walkthrough, and basically hands off in terms of allowing the system to listen to what I'm asking for and then pull up relevant information for me. So I did that as a plugin to OBS Studio, just as a demonstration, as a proof of concept. It seems like it's working pretty well. I'll have to test the video after I conclude, but that's all I wanted to share with you guys for today. I thought it was a really cool use of using something like Codex to basically build out custom plugins and modifying some open source software like OBS. So hopefully this is interesting for the other creators and YouTubers out there. And if this is something that you think has potential, that you want me to continue iterating on, drop me a note, reach out to me on any of my social medias. I think what I'll do is I'll actually have this Chiron system actually rotate some of my channels and things on the display so that it's even more professional, I guess you could say. All right, that's all for now. Thanks. Bye.